good? And welcome back to White Wolf XYT. Today we are in the Cessna Citation X, and as you can see, it is off, completely off. It is in a cold and dark state, so we're gonna have to start it up. Now, first thing, get rid of the yoke and just follow my instructions, and you'll be good. Okay, why can't I zoom in? Okay, there we are. Okay, just gonna, first things first, the battery and battery 2. Okay, standby power. I think that's a good idea. Yeah, it is. Okay, then external power. Then we're gonna have the avionics. Perfect. It's coming up good. It's coming up great. Okay. Oh no. And this. So this. Oh, okay. Okay, we have some action. Now let's move on to the APU panel. Okay. What's the APU panel? Okay, then we have the master. Turn this on. Okay. Now, finally, the APU starter, and wait for it. Bam! We are started. Feels looking great. So if the APU will start up completely before we can do anything. Just gonna wait. Patiently, guys, patiently. Okay. Taking from the time it's supposed to. Okay. There we are. Let's check on this APU. Come on, come on. Come on, APU. Come on. Come on. 90. And our APU is started. That's great. Now let's begin the engine start procedures. First thing, let's start with the left engine. Okay. Okay. Ignition, left engine, and just like that. Why isn't it coming on? Something must have gone. Up there, yeah? There we are. Now let's go to the right. Okay, right. Right. Okay, and finally, right engine start. There we are. Once the engines are fired up, we can, of course, just taxi to the runway and take off. In the meantime, we call for a pushback. That would be nice. Pushback. Okay, service pack is coming. It's gonna be a long wait. Yeah, pressure the pushback. Give me pushback. Give me pushback. Give me pushback. Come on, give me pushback. Let's check out the outside. You don't see any I mean, the pushback truck is right in front of me. Why are they saying it's coming? Anyways, gotta wait for it. Beautiful graphics, by the way. Are my engines started up? Yes, they are. Now, now I can just bring back your yoke and let's do a takeoff. I'm just gonna pause the video for a bit because of time. I don't think this pushback is coming anytime soon, so I'm just gonna do this. Okay, so I've done the taxi and everything, and we are here on the runway. I'm just gonna put the flaps down. I don't want to take off without any flaps. Okay, fine. 15, perfect. And oh, throttle. Okay, let's go. Okay, I think now we can take off. There we are. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. Oh, I'll see you guys next time on White Wolf XYT. Goodbye.